Students, today we will study about addition of algebraic expressions related to R.S. Agrawal book, chapter 8, exercise C, question number 3. In this question, we will study about addition of the trinomials. Here, in the first question of third, three trinomials are given. First trinomial 3a minus 2b plus 5c. Second trinomial 2a plus 5b minus 7c. And third trinomial is minus a minus b plus c. So firstly we have to put together the like terms. In this 3a, 2a and minus a. These three like terms are here. So we will write it together. Next 2 minus 2b plus 5b plus minus b. So we will put it together. I am changing the color to understand it. These three terms, and last remains 5c minus 7c plus c. So 5c minus 7c plus c. So whenever bracket will open, these two terms 3a plus 2a will add and minus a will be there. Again, firstly we will write minus 5b minus 2b and then minus b. Means plus positive numbers will one side and another side negative numbers. Firstly we have to write positive numbers 5c plus c minus 7c. So next step 3a plus 2a is equal to 5a minus a. 5b, and here minus 2b and minus b can be added, so it will be minus 3b, and plus 5c plus c. Wherever only variable is given, in that condition one numeral always present with that variable, that is 1. So 5c plus 1c is equal to 6c and written minus c. So next step 5a minus a is equal to 4a. 5b minus 3b is equal to 2b, and 6c minus c 7c is equal to minus 7c. We will put a sign of minus because 7 was greater than 6. So our answer we have found 4a plus 2b minus c. Next question of it, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 8. This is the first term. Second term minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1. And the third term is given plus 3 minus 6x plus 5x square minus x cube. Now firstly we will put together the like terms. As example, firstly 2x cube minus 5x cube and minus x cube will write firstly. Then minus 3x square plus 2x square and 5x square we will put together as I have written in the bracket. And third x, 7x, 4x and minus 6x we will put it together. And last remained minus 8 plus 3 and 1 we will put it here. Now the like terms which are able to add, they will add, and rest of them will subtract. So here it has given, see here in the next line 5x cube and 3x square are same, means they can add because they have the same sign, so they will add here minus 6x cube. And in next 2 plus 5, 2x square plus 5x square can add because these number are positive and rest third number is negative. So minus 3x square plus 7x square. And here minus 4x and minus 6x will add, so it became minus 10x. And next is it has given 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So now new expression we have found, 2x cube minus 6x cube minus 3x square plus 7x square plus 7x minus 10x minus 8 plus 4. So minus 6x cube will subtract 2x cube, so getting the answer minus 4x cube. 7x square will subtract 3x square, getting the answer 4x square. 10x will subtract 7x, getting the answer 3x. And minus 8 will subtract 4, so getting the answer 4. Next question. In the same way, same questions we can solve in the horizontal method. The second method is given. Firstly, we have to write first expression 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 8. And just after it, we will write the like terms and then we have to add or subtract. Second term is given, second expression is given 5x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1. As you can see, line by line I have written the like terms only, and third term was started by 3, but we have to understand which is the like term. So here minus x cube will write just downside of the 2x cube and minus 5x cube, and then 5x square will write down right side of the minus 3x square plus 2x square, and 6x will write just downside of 7x and minus 4x, and 3 will downside of the 8 and 1. So whatever the numbers are able to add, that numbers will add. As example, these two numbers are addable because their sign are same. So minus 5x cube and minus x cube becomes minus 6x cube, and we will write plus 2x cube, and here these two terms 5 to 7x square, I have written 7x square minus 3x square, and then 6 and 4 minus 10x and then 7x, and here 8 is there, 3 1 4. So same term, same expression came as we have seen previously. Next one, next step, 6x cube plus 2x cube. One is minus and one is one negative, one positive. So we will do work of subtraction. So it became minus 4x cube. 7x square subtracted minus 3x square. So it became 4x square. Minus 10x subtracted plus 7x, so it became minus 3x, and minus 8 subtracted 4, it became 4. By any method you can solve this question, by horizontal or vertical method. Next question of the same type of next question is given, x cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz. This is the first term. Second term, minus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 6xyz. This is the second expression. And the third expression is given, x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 8xyz. So firstly we have to in a group we have to write the number as I have written in the second step, and the third step we will write down like algebraic expressions. So as you can see, in a like algebraic expression I have written here. Now next we will add whatever the numbers are addable and rest will subtract. Here these two numbers are positive, so these two numbers will add. So it became 2x cube, and the rest is the minus x cube, so we will write just after it minus x cube. And here these two numbers are addable, so minus 2y cube minus y cube, and here two negative z cube are given, so we will write minus 2z cube plus z cube, and here it has given plus 3xyz, but two negatives are given, so 8 and 6 will add and it became 14xyz. So Next step, 2x cube will subtract x cube, getting the answer x cube. 2y cube subtracting y cube, getting the answer y cube. Minus 2z cube subtracting z cube is equal to minus z cube. And here 14xyz will subtract 3xyz and getting the answer minus 11xyz. So our answer we have found x cube plus y cube minus z cube minus 11xyz. Next question, same type of question is given. 2 plus x minus x square plus 6x cube. This is the first expression. It is given for the addition. You have to know about it. Minus 6 minus 2x plus 4x square minus 3x cube. Third term, 2 plus x square. Only two terms are given. In next expression, 3 minus x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. Now we will rearrange and collect the like terms. Firstly, we will write the whatever the numerals are directly given. As example, this is 2 is given, minus 6 is given, 2 is given here, and 4 numerals 3 is given here. So 2 minus 6 plus 2 plus 3. These all 4 numerals we have written. Now after it x we have to write x here 2x minus 2x plus 4x, and no any x is given. So 1 2 3 yani ki means x minus 2x plus 4x is given. Rest after it we will write x square. Firstly minus x square is given, minus x square plus 4x square plus 4x square, x square, then x square, and 2x square minus 2x square is equal to minus 2x square. Now we will write cube, 6x cube minus 3x cube and minus x cube we will write together as I have written. So in particular bracket we have to write 2 minus 6 plus 2 plus 3 in the first bracket, second bracket x minus 2x plus 4x, third bracket x square plus 4x square plus x square minus 2x square, and the last bracket plus 6x cube minus 3x cube minus x cube. Now solve it. All the positive numbers will add, either negative numbers will add and subtract the positive or negative number. Here in the first bracket 3 numbers are positive, so they will add. 3 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7, and minus 6 is remain, so it became 7 minus 6. Second bracket 4 to 6, sorry 4 and x, it has given 4x and x, so it will 5x minus 2x, and then here 4x square and x square will write together, and minus 2x square and minus x square will write together, and here 6x cube, and here 3 plus 1 4x cube. Next step, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, and here 4 plus 1 is equal to 5x minus 2x, and here 5x square minus 3x square, and in last bracket 4x square minus 6x square minus 6x cube minus 4x cube. Now solve it. 1 will remain 1. 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. 5x square minus 3x square is equal to 2x square, and 6x cube minus 4x cube is equal to 2x cube. Next question we will understand about the subtract. It has given a rule that only like terms can be add or subtract. As I have explained previously whenever I was explaining addition, it has given 5x from 2x. We have to subtract 5x from 2x. Listen, whenever from is given, in that condition we have to interchange the places of the terms are expressions. So second term will be first and first will be second. So this 2x became first and 5x became second. So 2x minus 5x. So 2x minus 5x is equal to minus 3x. Next question, 3a from 5a. So 3a from 5b. So second will be first and first will be second. We will change the place. So it became 5b minus 3a. 5b minus 3a. Both are unlike terms. So they can't be subtract and they will remain same. Next, 10x square from minus 7x square. So minus 7x square will be right firstly, and after it minus and then 10x square. Bracket became open and it became minus 7x square minus 10x square. Both terms are negative, so they will add. Minus 7x square minus 10x square added and it became minus 17x square. Next it has given, it is the one of the interesting and important question of this exercise, a square minus b square from b square minus a square. Now from here we will study about the subtraction of the binomial. Now b square minus a square will be first and a square minus b square will be second. Whenever bracket will open, in that condition second bracket sign will be changed. So plus a square will change into minus a square and minus b square change into plus b square. Either you can directly understand that whenever we have to subtract, then the second term sign will be conformly changed. So b square minus a square plus b square. Firstly put together the like terms, b square plus b square minus a square minus a square. So b square plus b square is equal to 2b square minus a square is equal to minus 2a square. Next, it's okay students, rest of the questions we will study in the next video, and in next video we will study about the subtraction of trinomial, and about the simplification we will study.